This is the color scheme that I use for my videos. Make sure you copy down the black.
So right away, as someone who studied foiling, when you're going to FOIL two things together, when you're going to square a binomial, you're going to get a trinomial out. Not even looking at the numbers, but just looking at the kind of terms that are here, just the fact that you have to square this, you're going to get a linear middle term. You're going to get a trinomial. And you'll subtract something from the quadratic term, and you'll add something to the constant term. But this linear term, the 7.2 times x, is actually missing from both of these answers. And that's why I was able to eliminate a and b immediately. I knew that there had to be this middle term. It's the single most common mistake that students make when they are foiling. They forget, they just say it's 1.5x squared and then 2.4 squared, and they just go from there. But that's not what you need to do. What you need to do is FOIL and remember that you get these middle terms, and then, for example, this term, this quadratic term, and this quadratic term will not cancel, they will combine to get negative 2.5x squared, and then the middle term stays 7.2x, and then the final term will be this 5.7x plus 6.4. You're adding the two together because they're both positive numbers. If you mistakenly thought that this negative times a negative is still a negative, then you would have gotten this answer here. So be careful to make sure you check your sign.